Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up the Canon PIXMA MP640R printer software on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP640R support into Google, and the best match should say CAN support for PIXMA MP640R. Open that up. Should see a picture of our PIXMA MP640R printer right over here, as well as other helpful support links over on the right side. But we're just going to scroll down underneath downloads and expand software and drivers. And then going underneath the third category here, select where it says My Printer. Select that download button that corresponds to My Printer. And once it's downloaded to our system, go ahead and run that file. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select Yes. You can close out of the web browser at this time and then proceed to install this application to our computer. And then we can create a desktop shortcut if we choose. And then hopefully you should be good to go. Your printer should be connected. If you're still having a problem, you can open up the utility and select Diagnose and Repair Printer, and then walk through common troubleshooting steps that Canon would recommend on the screen here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.